Okay, so up to now whatever I told about the interface, so you are clear with this interface. So just bank I am taking as a interface. So interface to class, we have to use the which keyword? Implements keyword. So remaining everything comes as a common. So this is the first level of the interface. So this is the which level? The first, very first and basic level of the interface. Okay. So now interface. So what is the definitions of the interface we discussed? So to implement the abstract methods, and it is the advanced level of the abstraction. Okay. So next, what is the another definition we can tell means? So we can tell interface is a collection of classes. So what is the another definition? So the interface is a collection of classes. So what is the next level we can tell about the interface? So interface is a collection of classes. So interface is what? Collection of classes. So now we will see how to create an interface. So now just we edited this interface concept, but now I will show you how to create our own interface. So how to create our own interface. So now I am giving right click, new. So I am giving package. I am creating one package, just name it inter. So next I am giving the right click. So now see, observe how to create the interface. So new interface. See, below the class itself the interface will be available. So this is called the creating the interface. So now I am creating the interface. So now I am giving, so A is my interface name, or we can take any other name. So just I am mentioning, so ATM. So ATM is my interface, or take any another example. So car. So car is an interface. Okay, car is an interface, or we can tell, so engine. So anything we can take as an interface. So example I am taking engine. So what is my interface here? So my interface is an engine. So what is my interface here? So interface is my engine. So now here I am declaring, so public, so void, so capacity. So what I am declaring here? Capacity. So capacity is a which method? Abstract method. Why it is an abstract method? So defaultly interface contains which methods? Abstract methods. So now one small concept we will apply here. So if you take the engine, so the bike also will contain the engine, so the car also will contain the engine, so the bus also will contain the engine. So now I am creating one class. So what is the class I am creating? I am creating the class name called car. So now car is going to, so now car is going to implements. Car is going to implements engine. So car is going to implements engine. So what is the property in the engine? Capacity. So now instead of writing, so first see, I am writing public void capacity. So here manually I return. So what I return? Public void capacity. So if you don't want to write manually, so there is one small possibility is there. So what is that possibility means? So here you are showing the error. So go to this error and just place your mouse here. So if you place your mouse here add unimplemented methods, it will come. So if I click, so automatically that method will come here. So what came? Automatically, so that method came here. Okay. So instead of writing, so automatically it will come. So what it is doing? Just it is overriding. So that we will see later. So just I imported that method here. So now I am giving. So what is my car engine capacity? So I am taking 1000 cc I am taking. So what I am taking here? Those 1000 cc. So 1000 cc is my capacity of the car engine. So in the same way, next I am taking new class. So here I am taking the class name bike. So bike is also implements engine. So just same like abstraction, just we are using here interface, that's all. So now again how we can implement? So we can go here, so add unimplemented methods. So now here I am giving system.out.println. So here I am giving my capacity is at 125 cc. I am giving as a 125 cc. So next normally we can create the class main. So what is my interface here? So engine. So engine is my interface. So E equals to new car. So E dot capacity. So next E dot. So E equals to new bike. So E dot capacity. Okay. So now I hope everyone is clear with this concept. So now I hope so everyone up to now everyone is clear with this concept. So first I created an interface. So from interface to class I implemented. Okay. So up to now I hope so everyone is clear. So this is a basic example of the interface concept. So just today go with this basic example only. So in Monday's class, so in detail, the full detail about the interface I will explain you. Okay. So just today I have given the introduction of the interface. So just to follow this introduction, and now I told no engine, car, bike. So based on this example, so I told the last previous example bank, you know. So same like that example. So now today you go practice with this car and bike example. So inside the car you can mention. So if you give 1000 cc, so what are the 1000 cc cars will be available? So what are the 125 cc bikes are available? So like this example. So now today you just built like this examples. So nobody did not send me that abstraction concept. So I told everybody post in the group whatever the concept we did, or you can post to my mail also. So if you want my mail ID, so I will send today my mail ID in the group. So after doing your example, so everybody post that one. Okay. So post that one in the my mail ID. So whatever the project you did, so how we can post that project means, so for example, now I did this interface example. So just copy this interface. So how to do? So just click on your package. So for example, yesterday I did the banks. So if I want to send this to you, so I will give the right click. So and just we can give the copy. So after giving the copy, so you can paste it that one in the desktop. So now banks one folder came up. So now normally how you can upload? So you can go to the Gmailer. So you upload this folder to me. Okay. So if you want my mail ID, so now I will post that mail ID in the group. So after seeing the video, so definitely each and every person has to send your this project to me. Okay. So next we'll see on the Monday's concept.